Hi guys. You can set up a recurring crypto buy order on Kraken through both their mobile app and the website. This feature allows you to automate dollar cost averaging or DCA strategy, which involves regularly buying a fixed amount of crypto to reduce the impact of market volatility over time. Before we begin, you must be verified at least the intermediate or pro tier to be eligible for recurring orders. Recurring buys are not available on Kraken Pro. Right? So now, once we get that out of the way, we're gonna just hit trade at the bottom right and buy. Choose the crypto you want to buy, let's say Bitcoin. Right? Enter the amount depending on your budget. And before you select your payment method, you're gonna hit this one time and change it to daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. All right. By tapping the frequency you prefer, you can choose to start the order now or at a specific time later. Okay. You can see right here, next buy now, or set the time tomorrow or on Monday next month. Hit confirm. Right? And once you set the scheduling, you're gonna select your payment method right here. You can use Tether USDT, US dollar, cash, Apple Pay, or your credit or debit card. Okay. Once you select the amount, or once you select the payment method, you can hit the arrow right here to continue and hit confirm. And now you set a recurring crypto buy month on a consistent basis to prevent from market volatility, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.